6 students from Deshler have spent over 6 months perfecting this robot. This small but diligent group are the Electrogator Robotics team, a group assembled and sponsored by Renke Manufacturing.
Renke's is involved with a lot of robotic type applications. We do a lot of programming, we do a lot of mechanical engineering, and so prepping kids to try to get into that kind of field would be absolutely perfect for the company to try to foster some talent in a small town environment.
Since early September, the team has worked long hours to build a robot that unhooks itself from a lunar type module.
Look at that.
Retrieves minerals and hooks itself back to the module. All done in 2.5 minutes.
You know, each season has its own set of unique challenges, and we essentially, at the beginning of the season, we get a video describing what the new rules are, what the new challenges are, and we build a robot around that.
The Electrogator Robotics team won the Winning Alliance title in the Nebraska First Tech Challenge Championship on February 9th in Columbus, a 16-team statewide competition called Rover Ruckus.
We did one in Columbus, and we held a skirmish here, and we did one up in where was it again, guys? Humphrey and skirmish.
When you say, a skirmish, you said?
Yeah, skirmish.
What does that mean?
It's where it's not really actual competition. It's basically like practicing against other robots.
The Electrogator Robotics team will now compete with about 160 other teams nationwide in the 2019 First Tech Championship in Detroit, April 24th through the 27th.
It's been something really exciting. It was one of those things where when we first started talking about it at the beginning of the year, we'd seen some videos, Stan and Luke had studied kind of other designs, and we said, I think we have a design that can really make it. And so we said, all right, if we're going to make it, we're going to have to put the work in, and they did. And at state, we proved our design worked really well, and now we're excited to be moving on.
FIRST is a nonprofit devoted to helping youth discover a passion for science, engineering, technology, and math. The annual programs culminate in robotics competitions where teams win recognition, develop life skills, and discover a previously unforeseen career path.
I had no sports to do since I wasn't going out for basketball this year. So I decided robotics, that sounds good. Then I signed up, didn't know what I was getting myself into, and now I'm here.
I like building and making stuff, so I thought that would be cool to do, and I don't do sports, so I mean this is an extra thing I could do in the evenings.
Most of the Renke team is in their second year of competition, and about half of them are considering mechanical engineering or programming as a college major. Hockersmith says the long-term goal with the robotics team is to prepare youth for future careers in the local area.
One of the principal tenets of FIRST, and one of the categories that they can be judged on, is actually community outreach and recruitment. And so it's going to be one of those things to where we are probably going to be encouraging the kids very, very diligently to go out and try to recruit more team members to come onto the team.
In Deshler, Tommy Rezach, News Channel, Nebraska.